What's that?
Chocolate.
Chocolate?
Yes.
Who gave that to you?
Dada.
Dada? Few lang, ha?
Yes. Yesterday, 20.
Why?
Because you're not here.
Porket wala ako dito, kumain ka marami. Few lang, Hans, okay? Okay?
Yes.
And then you drink plenty of water after that, okay?
For your money.
This is not mine. This is Manang and Ate Sol's money.
Just pwede ilagay yung banana. Come on.
King.
Same ba? Same?
Kasarap mo ko.
What's that?
Libre.
Maybe that's plenty already.
Ano?
Enough na, okay?
Pwede na po.
Not yet.
Why? That's plenty already.
No.